Experience precision like never before with the DeWalt Remote Control 360 degrees line laser. Designed for maximum efficiency, this tool offers remote control capabilities, letting you adjust settings from a distance. Its powerful green beam ensures visibility even in bright conditions, perfect for intricate woodworking layouts. With dual-axis adjustments and self-leveling features, accuracy becomes effortless. The robust build ensures durability on any job site. Ideal for professionals and hobbyists, this laser brings high-tech precision to your woodworking projects. Say goodbye to manual measurements and hello to efficiency. Meet the Worx BladeRunner, your ultimate portable table saw that combines versatility with power. This compact tool is perfect for making precise cuts on wood, plastic, or metal. With its tool-free blade changes, you can switch tasks seamlessly. The built-in safety switch ensures your work stays accident-free, while the lightweight design makes it easy to transport. Perfect for on-the-go projects or tight spaces, it's a must-have for any woodworking enthusiast. Say goodbye to bulky setups and embrace mobility without compromising performance. With the Worx BladeRunner, your creative possibilities are limitless. Simplify your wood restoration tasks with the Apex Indexing Nail Puller. This tool is engineered to remove nails with minimal effort and maximum precision. Its indexing head rotates for optimal grip, even in tight spots, making it ideal for refurbishing furniture or wooden structures. The ergonomic handle reduces hand fatigue, ensuring comfort during extended use. Built to last, its durable steel construction tackles stubborn nails with ease. Whether you're a professional or a DIYer, this nail puller is your secret weapon for flawless woodwork. Save time and preserve the integrity of your projects with Apex. Keep your lunch fresh and your tools organized with the Klein Tools Work Cooler. This rugged cooler doubles as a sturdy seat and can hold up to 17 quarts of storage. Perfect for job sites, it features a locking lid that ensures your items stay secure. With a stay-open top and an integrated dry compartment, accessing your snacks or tools is a breeze. The heavy-duty construction withstands tough conditions, while the built-in shoulder strap makes it easy to carry. Stay fueled and ready to work with this practical and versatile cooler that's built for the job. Transform pipe cutting with the Eibenstock ERC 350, a powerhouse for precision and speed. This 1,250 watts pipe saw slices through metal and plastic with ease, delivering clean and accurate cuts every time. Its ergonomic design and lightweight build ensure comfort during prolonged use. The adjustable cutting depth and safety features enhance its versatility and reliability. Whether you're a contractor or a woodworking hobbyist, this tool's performance will exceed expectations. Upgrade your cutting game and tackle challenging tasks effortlessly with the Eibenstock ERC 350. Revolutionize workshop mobility with the Bora Portamate PM 3550. This mobile base transforms stationary tools into portable powerhouses, supporting up to 1,500 pounds. Its foot-operated levers make raising and lowering tools effortless, while the smooth casters ensure easy movement across your workspace. Perfect for optimizing space, it's an essential for workshops of any size. The heavy-duty steel construction guarantees durability, and its adjustable frame accommodates various tool sizes. Take your workshop efficiency to the next level with the Bora Portamate Mobile Base PM 3550, blending strength with convenience. Illuminate your projects with the ERC LED work light, a compact yet powerful solution for any workspace. This rechargeable light delivers bright, adjustable illumination, ensuring precision during intricate tasks. Its durable design withstands drops in tough conditions, making it reliable for job sites. The magnetic base and adjustable angles provide hands-free convenience, perfect for multitasking. Lightweight and portable, it's an essential companion for late-night woodworking sessions or dimly lit spaces. Don't let poor lighting hinder your craftsmanship. Shine brighter with ERC. Achieve effortless precision in fabric projects with the reliable 2000 FR cloth cutting machine. Although designed for textiles, its robust motor and sharp blades make it perfect for cutting upholstery materials in woodworking projects. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort, while the built-in sharpening mechanism keeps the blade razor-sharp. Compact and lightweight, it's ideal for detailed work or high-volume tasks. Whether crafting custom cushions or upholstery, this tool offers unmatched accuracy and speed. Elevate your woodworking and textile crafts with the reliable 2000 FR. Enhance safety and precision with the Bosch Universal Detect, a versatile detection tool for cables and studs. This device helps identify hidden wires and materials before cutting or drilling, protecting your tools and your workspace. Its intuitive interface and automatic calibration make it user-friendly, even for beginners. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for any toolbox. Whether you're renovating furniture or installing fixtures, this tool ensures accuracy and peace of mind. Work smarter and safer with the Bosch Universal Detect. Maximize clamping efficiency with the faithful upright clamp, designed for secure and stable holds during woodworking projects. Its robust build and quick-release mechanism make it ideal for repetitive tasks. The upright design saves space while providing excellent grip and stability. Adjustable jaws accommodate various workpieces, enhancing its versatility. Durable and reliable, it's a go-to tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. Say goodbye to slipping materials and hello to precision with the faithful upright clamp, your reliable partner in crafting perfection. Redefine versatility with the CC electric car jack, perfect for lifting heavy materials in your workshop. With its powerful motor and sturdy build, it simplifies lifting tasks, making it a unique addition to woodworking. Compact and portable, it's ideal for tight spaces or mobile projects. The built-in safety features ensure secure operation, while the ergonomic design enhances usability. Whether lifting heavy wooden beams or other materials, this tool combines convenience with innovation. Discover new possibilities with the CCI electric car jack. Unleash precision with the IML REC power drill, a professional-grade tool for detailed woodworking. Its high-speed motor and ergonomic design make drilling effortless, even in challenging materials. Perfect for crafting intricate designs or assembling furniture, this drill offers unmatched accuracy and control. Lightweight and durable, it's built to withstand demanding tasks. With advanced features for enhanced performance, it's a favorite among experts. Bring your woodworking visions to life with the IML REC power drill, a tool that takes precision to the next level. Light up your projects with the Coast rechargeable clamp light, a must-have for any workshop. This versatile light clamps onto surfaces, providing bright and adjustable illumination. Its rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting performance, while the durable build withstands tough conditions. The 360 degrees rotation feature allows you to direct light exactly where needed, ensuring precision during detailed tasks. Compact and portable, it's perfect for on-the-go projects or tight spaces. Illuminate your creativity with Koski L40R. Simplify wiring tasks with the Klein Tools 50611 magnetic wire puller, a game-changer for electricians and woodworkers. Its strong magnets guide wires through walls and tight spaces, saving time and effort. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable operation, while its compact size fits seamlessly in any toolbox. Perfect for installing lighting or other electrical components in wooden structures, this tool boosts efficiency and precision. Discover the ease of wire pulling with Klein Tools. Secure your projects with the Crescent hand clamp, a reliable tool for versatile clamping. Its innovative design provides a firm grip on various materials, ensuring stability during cuts and assembly. The quick-release feature simplifies adjustments, while the durable construction guarantees longevity. Lightweight and easy to handle, it's perfect for both intricate and large-scale tasks. Enhance your woodworking efficiency with Crescent's robust and user-friendly clamp, your partner in precision. Ensure safety and control with the MicroJig GRR Rip Block, a smart push block designed for precision cutting. Its non-slip surface grips materials securely, preventing slips and ensuring clean cuts. The ergonomic design reduces hand strain, making it ideal for extended use. Adjustable legs accommodate various cutting angles, enhancing versatility. Durable and easy to clean, it's a must-have for any woodworking enthusiast. Protect your hands and elevate your craftsmanship with MicroJig's innovative push block. Simplify trimming and cutting tasks with the Worx 20-volt jaw saw, a cordless marvel of convenience and safety. Its enclosed blade design minimizes risks, making it perfect for woodworking and garden projects. Powered by a 20-volt battery, it delivers consistent performance, cutting through branches and materials effortlessly. Lightweight and easy to handle, it's ideal for precise cuts in tight spaces. Embrace the power of cordless convenience with the Worx jaw saw, a tool that makes cutting safe and simple. Streamline rebar tying with the Makita XRT01ZK, a cordless tool that saves time and effort. Its brushless motor ensures efficient performance, while the compact design enhances maneuverability. Perfect for reinforcing woodworking structures, it's a versatile addition to your toolkit. The adjustable tension settings cater to various tasks, ensuring precision in every tie. Durable and reliable, this tool simplifies complex projects with ease. Elevate your construction and woodworking efficiency with Makita's innovative rebar tying tool. Transform raw logs into smooth, ready-to-use timber with the Log Wizard debarker. This innovative attachment fits most chainsaws, converting them into powerful debarking tools. Ideal for creating rustic wood finishes or prepping logs for milling, it delivers exceptional results. The adjustable planer blades ensure precision, while the rugged design withstands heavy use. Lightweight and easy to handle, it's perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Enhance your woodworking efficiency with this must-have tool that takes the hassle out of debarking. Achieve flawless tile installations with the Bihui Tools Vibration Tile Beater, a game-changer for precise and bubble-free results. Its powerful motor vibrates tiles into position, ensuring strong adhesion and eliminating air pockets. The ergonomic design minimizes user fatigue, making it perfect for extended use. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for both professionals and DIYers. Built for durability, this tool ensures consistent performance in demanding conditions. Simplify your tile installations and achieve professional-grade results effortlessly with Bihui's innovative tile beater. Create perfect tenons effortlessly with the Lumberjack Tenon Cutter, a must-have for crafting sturdy joints. This tool's precision blades cut tenons smoothly, ensuring a tight and secure fit. Ideal for building furniture or outdoor structures, it delivers professional-grade results. The adjustable design accommodates various sizes, adding versatility to your woodworking projects. Durable and easy to use, it's perfect for both beginners and experienced craftsmen. Enhance your joinery skills and bring your woodworking visions to life with the Lumberjack Tenon Cutter. Say goodbye to the hassle of scraping ice manually. The Kärcher electric ice scraper is a compact powerhouse that spins its blades to quickly and safely remove ice from surfaces. Designed for versatility, it's perfect for prepping icy wood for outdoor projects or even clearing frozen work areas. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfort, while the rechargeable battery gives you the freedom to work anywhere. With its durable build, you'll tackle winter challenges without breaking a sweat. Plus, its quick cleaning efficiency saves precious time. Whether you're maintaining your tools or preparing wood for a project, this scraper is a winter essential. Meet the Irwin Quick Lift Construction Jack, the ultimate support tool for your woodworking and construction needs. This jack features an innovative quick lift mechanism, letting you adjust height with minimal effort. Built to handle heavy loads, it's perfect for leveling large pieces of wood or providing support during assembly. Its lightweight yet durable design makes it easy to transport between job sites. The anti-slip foot ensures stability, while the high-strength construction guarantees reliability. Ideal for both professional builders and DIY enthusiasts, this jack is a game-changer. Say goodbye to tedious lifting and hello to seamless adjustments with Irwin's smart engineering. The Fein VersaMag portable magnetic vise brings precision and stability to your woodworking tasks. Its powerful magnetic base adheres firmly to metal surfaces, providing a reliable grip wherever you work. Compact and portable, this vise is perfect for small workshops or on-the-go projects. Its adjustable jaws securely hold a variety of materials, ensuring precision cuts and shaping. Crafted from high-quality materials, it's built for durability and performance. With this tool, you can easily align, cut, and assemble your pieces. Whether you're crafting intricate designs or handling routine tasks, the VersaMag offers unmatched flexibility and control. Say hello to speed and efficiency with the Flex 24-volt Brushless 3/8 stapler. This tool is a staple, literally, for woodworking professionals. Its brushless motor delivers consistent power, while the lightweight design ensures easy handling during long hours of use. Compatible with various staple sizes, it's perfect for upholstery, paneling, or securing materials in place. The precision depth adjustment gives you full control, preventing damage to delicate surfaces. With a 24-volt battery, you'll enjoy extended runtime and quick recharges. Built for durability and reliability, the Flex stapler streamlines your workflow, making it a must-have for all woodworking enthusiasts. Cut through masonry and brick like butter with the AllSaw BA 200X Cordless Kit, a revolutionary tool for restoration and construction. Featuring a 13-amp motor and dual-blade technology, it delivers precise, dust-free cuts while minimizing vibrations. Its cordless design offers unparalleled mobility, letting you tackle projects without restrictions. Perfect for creating clean cuts in brick, concrete, or stone, it's a versatile addition to your tool arsenal. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort, even during extended use, while the durable build guarantees longevity. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.